name's Christina Colameco.
Joseph Ruiz.
Taylor Gadzik.
Connor Hornbrook.
Kate Montgomery.
Andrew Zacola.
I'm environmental studies, and I chose it because I started off in meteorology originally, and I love the environment in general. And then I went to environmental engineering, and I felt it just wasn't for me. So when I came to Rowan, I went to environmental studies, and I just felt like I belonged there as soon as I came into the department, and I really enjoyed it.
I'm a geography major, an environmental studies minor. I originally found out about this by taking a geography class, and I believe it was World Regional Geography with Professor Zanni. And always knowing geography and overall environmental studies, that was just basically an interest of mine since I was basically in kindergarten.
I would love to work in the city and work on community gardens and stuff like that. I love horticulture. I would like to travel and go and see other places around the world and see how they live and try and implement more sustainable methods into their culture and stuff like that.
I hope to solve real-world problems and make money doing it. It's what I love to do. I like developing different models or different maps for various situations, almost like a hobby at this point in my life. So I hope to be able to continue doing that, but actually make money doing it.
I would say to go with the Geography and Environment Department because it's a very homey atmosphere. The staff and everybody, your teachers are all great people, all the students and your fellow peers are really great people. Nobody makes you feel ostracized or weird or anything like that. We're all just kind of like a close-knit, kind of like home. And you don't really get that at a lot of different places. And there's not an extreme amount of competition between all of us because we all know that there are problems. And from us being able to see and know all the problems, we all want to work together to fix it. So it's not one person working against another, it's all of us. We all know that we all need to work together to fix these problems.
Because it's funny, when you think about geography, a lot of it is just you think like cartography, maps, and like topography, and you don't really, state capitals, knowing the names of countries and their locations. But it's so much more than that. It really is. It's almost like I guess like an amalgamation of several disciplines and majors put into one. And geography is the basis, and environmental studies is the basis for just learning a lot about humanity. And whether it ties into engineering can tie into geography, mathematics ties into geography, science, everything ties into geography. So really, you can kind of branch out from geography and go in a million different paths. Journalism ties into geography. So that's what, for me, it's really taught me that everything has some sort of space and place on this earth. And to learn about that, there's really no better discipline than geography.